WhatsApp has rolled out a new feature that lets you link your Facebook and Instagram profile directly to your WhatsApp account. This creates a unified identity across Meta's platforms and makes it easier for your contacts to verify who you are. Here is how to set it up. To link your accounts, follow the steps based on the current integration flow. Open WhatsApp. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and then tap on Settings. At the very top, you will see your profile. Tap in here. Now you can see an option for links. Tap on this option. As you can see, we have Instagram and Facebook. If I tap on the plus symbol beside Instagram, you have two options: verified versus unverified links. If you authenticate through the Meta Accounts Center, a small Facebook icon or Instagram badge will appear next to your name. This proves to others that you officially own both accounts. If you tap on Unverified Link, it will appear as a standard clickable URL without the confirmation badge. Let's add a verified link. It'll now give me an option to select which Instagram profile, if you have multiple profiles, to choose between. I'm going to hit Continue. And you can see here that it is a verified link. I would do the exact same thing with Facebook. Now you can select, and this is one of the most important parts of this update, is the privacy control. You don't have to show your Facebook profile to everyone. If you tap on here where it says Privacy Settings, I can select 4 different options: everyone, my contacts, what contacts accept, which will allow me to select people that I don't want to show my Facebook profile to, or I can select nobody. And as you can see, if we tap on my profile, you can now see that there is a link to Instagram